Hello friends, my name is Syed Reza Fattahzadeh and I have 20 years of experience in the automation field. I am excited to introduce you to my latest course titled Excellent PLC Projects for Engineering Students. In the second part of this course, you will find a collection of hands-on PLC projects designed to help you develop practical skills, whether you are a beginner or an advanced student. Each project includes a step-by-step guide to help you apply your abstract knowledge to real-world scenarios. This course represents the wisdom of Confucius: I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. By actively engaging with 33 real-world PLC problems and their detailed solutions, you will reinforce your learning through practical application. In the first part, I have integrated various PLC simulator tools, including Allen Bradley RS-Logix 5000 emulator and TIA Portal PLC Sim software. In the second part, I have incorporated other PLC simulator tools, including Delta and Codesys virtual PLC software, to showcase additional practical problem examples. These simulators allow you to create and test PLC control programs without the need for practical hardware, giving you the flexibility to practice and develop your PLC programming skills anywhere. I also showcase HMI simulation using WinCC Flexible, FactoryTalk, Codesys, and Delta Virtual PLC software. This approach eliminates the need for expensive HMI hardware while providing an accurate hands-on experience. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and confidence to address a range of PLC programming challenges, equipping you for real-world applications in engineering and automation. Whether you are preparing for your profession or enhancing your expertise, this course offers invaluable hands-on experience that will set you apart. I am looking forward to seeing you in the course and helping you master PLC programming through practical, engaging projects. Join me on this journey to take your skills to the next level.